So I'm using a different app, so I hope this one works better. You can see I've written out the sum for us because we're doing subtraction, and I'm focusing on page 64 of your Viva book. There is an example there. I'm using the one on the green side. So I've got 4,712 and minus 1,357. I've broken my second number up into 1,000 plus 300 plus 50 plus 8. And so now I'm going to continue doing my steps as I go along. And so our first step is going to be to subtract the thousands. So we take that first number, which is 4,712, and we minus the 1,000, which in this case is 1,000. All right. And then we are going to write that answer, which is going to be 3,712. And then we take that 3,712 and we minus 300 from that, okay? Because our next number over here was 300. Oop. Okay, let me just rather take that away. And then that is going to give us 3,412. Now we write that 3,412. So we're writing that answer. And we're taking away the 10 now because we've done the 1,000, we've done the 100. So now we have to do the 10, which is 50. And that is going to be 3,362. And so then we have that final answer, 3,362 minus the unit, sorry, which, this is very fun, which is 8, and that equals 3,354. Okay. There's my 4. All right, so there was your first example. I'm going to create another example for you. Let's see, we don't want to save that. Let's do another example. So this one, I'm just going to use any example I can think of. So I'm going to go 600. Oh, salute. It's not writing. Oh, there we go. So let's go for this. We've got 6,873 minus it's 4,152. Okay, so let's look at this one. So our first thing is going to be to break this number up. So this is 4,000 plus 100 plus 50 plus 2. Okay, so I hope you're working on a piece of paper next to me and you're thinking about what your first step is going to be. So just put it in your head, try and do it and see if you're on the right track. Okay, you were supposed to start writing that first big number and we are going to minus it by the 1,000 first. And in this case, that is 4,000. So that's going to give us, if we say 6,000 minus 4,000, we get 2,000, and then all these numbers stay the exact same. So it's 2,873, and we take that answer and we move it down. Okay, and now we're going to minus our 100, and our 100 is 100 in this case. Sorry. It's not very ugly equals. I thought this one was working better, but I don't know. Okay, so now we're going to get 2,773 because we've minused it by 100. Write that 2,773 and think, what is the next step we're going to do? I'm going to minus it by our 10, which is 50 in this case. And so we're going to take our 10, which is over here. So we're going to keep the 2,000. We're going to keep the 700. We're minusing it by 70 by 50, which, oopsie, let me just take that underlining away. We're going to make 2,723. Okay, and then we're going to do our last one, which is 2,723 minus 2 because it's our unit. And that's pretty simple. 2,721 is our final answer. Okay, I hope those help you. Feel free to call me or Mrs. Beatar if you need any help.